Yeehaw! Another segment from Pappy's Corner coming up.
Alright, well, let's see what we got here. Ooh. There we go. Outside. Shoveled here. And you can see it's all white. And I'm going to have to skim this pretty soon. Take this path out here to the poop arena. And you can see that I need to shovel out the poop arena because this one here has already got poop in the arena. So I'll get that picked up and I'll shovel down this path out to the bird bath. And the reason for these poop arenas is because the dog is smaller than the height of the snow. You don't want anything to do with it. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he goes. What are you going to do, Rock? What's the mower doing out? Huh? What are you doing? And over here, this is where poop bucket is. And the pooper scooper. Of course, garden hose, we're not going to need that right now. I think it's something like no degrees right now. And I'll show you the poop bucket. Isn't that grand? So yeah, it's the way we live here in Iowa. Got to shovel out poop arenas for the dog. And I'll get that done. Okay, now I've got it all shoveled out here. All the way out. Got the poop arenas shoveled. And they're looking good. And one little tip I can give you, I try to offer my tubers advice, and that is don't eat yellow snow. So there's a tip for the day. You can see I got the poop cleaned up there from that poop arena. And this thing sure works good for doing. Whoops. There we go. The jaws. Poop jaws, I guess, huh? Pull on this handle. About a $20 item. We've had a couple of them over the years. And my job is done. I do bring it inside because it will freeze. The jaws, the poop jaws.